Students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class, we have discussed the convergence of the sequences whose nth terms are given. Here also same, here nth term of the sequence is given. I have to discuss the convergence of the sequence. Okay, cos square n pi. Let sequence xn equal sequence x cos square n pi. If n is 1, n may be 2, n may be 3 and so on. That is cos square 1 pi, cos square 2 pi, cos square 3 pi and so on. Cos pi value 1, so cos square pi value 1, cos square 2 pi value also 1. Whatever it may be, the value is 1. Therefore, limit xn and tends to infinity equals 1. Therefore, sequence xn is convergent. Next example, xn, the nth term is 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial and so on plus 1 by n factorial. Here 1 by 2 factorial value is 1 by 2, 1 by 3 factorial value is 1 by 6, 1 by 6 is less than 1 by 4, 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 square. 1 by 4 factorial value 1 by 24, which is less than 1 by 8. That 1 by 8 can be written as 1 by 2 cube and so on. So, this is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 24 and so on plus 1 by n factorial, which is less than 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 less than 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 24 less than 1 by 2 cube and so on. Similarly, this is first term, second term, third term is 2 square, fourth term is 2 cube, nth term is n minus 1, 1 by 2 power n minus 1. xn less than, this is a GP, here a value 1, r value 1 by 2. So, a into 1 into 1 minus r power n, 1 minus 1 by 2 power n divided by 1 minus r, 1 minus 1 by 2. xn less than 1 minus 1 by 2 power n, 1 minus half is 1 by 2. 1 by 2, if it goes to the numerator, it becomes 2. xn less than 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2n. Limit xn n tends to infinity less than limit 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2 power n. Limit xn as n tends to infinity less than, here this becomes 0. n tends to infinity, 2 power infinity is infinity. 1 minus infinity is 1 by infinity is 0. Limit xn n tends to infinity is less than 2 for every n. Therefore, sequence xn is bounded above by 2. Further, xn plus 1 can be written as 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial and so on, 1 by n factorial plus 1 by n plus 1 factorial. Now consider xn plus 1 minus xn. This is xn plus 1 and this is xn. If you subtract xn from xn plus 1, we get only this term 1 by n plus 1 factorial, which is positive greater than 0. Therefore, xn plus 1 greater than xn for every n. Therefore, sequence xn is monotonically increasing. Therefore, sequence xn is monotonically increasing, which is bounded. Hence, sequence xn is convergent. The sequence which is monotonically increasing and bounded, therefore it is convergent sequence. Next example, n into log of n plus 1 minus log n. Now take xn equals n into log of n plus 1 minus log n. This can be written as log a minus log b is log a by b. n into log of n plus 1 divided by n. Now take n common from the numerator. We have n into 1 plus 1 by n, denominator n. These two get cancelled. And log of 1 plus 1 by n. We know that m log n is log n power m. This is m. Log 1 plus 1 by n to the power n. Now limit xn n tends to infinity equals limit n tends to infinity log of 1 plus 1 by n whole power n. We know that limit of this function is e. Therefore, log e to the base e. The value of log e to the base e is 1. Therefore, sequence xn is convergent. Next example, 2n square minus 1 divided by 8n plus 1. Let xn equals 2n square minus 1 divided by 8n plus 1. Take n square common, we have 2 minus 1 by n square. Denominator n common, 8 plus 1 by n. N square we have n into 2 minus 1 by n square divided by 8 plus 1 by n. Limit xn as n tends to infinity equal limit of this function. Here n tends to infinity becomes infinity into any number is infinity. Therefore, sequence xn is divergent. Next, n square plus minus 1 power n into n. Let xn equals n square plus minus 1 power n into n. Here, first term as it is n square plus minus 1 power n into n. Divide and multiply this term by n by n. Take n square common from the numerator. We have here remaining term is 1 plus minus 1 power n. N square is common. We have 1 by n. Okay, limit xn as n tends to infinity equals limit of this one n square into 1 plus minus 1 power n divided by n. Here this is n square is infinity and n tends to infinity. This becomes infinity square is infinity. Infinity into any number is again infinity. Therefore, sequence xn is divergent. Next example, show that the sequence xn defined by x1 equals square root of 7, xn plus 1 equals square root of 7 plus xn converges to 1